Hello students, let us start a new lesson today. When people rebel. So it is about the first independence war of India, which was there in 1857. So in this lesson we will study the different causes, first under the subheadings of policies and the people. Okay, which were the policies which were responsible for this policies which affected the Nawabs, such as the Nawabs lose their power. Okay, what were the policies which made the Nawab lose their powers? Then the policies were resident subsidy alliance, the doctrine of lapse. Then the effect of the policies on the peasants and the spoils, the high revenue rates and confiscation of lands made the peasants and the zamindars angry. Then the spoils, the soldiers, they were also angry with the English system because of number of causes. They were not given equal salary, pay, allowances, etc., promotion. Then there were social and religious causes, just as the removal of sati system and widow remarriage, etc. Then the immediate cause was the cause of when the British Company or the East India Company introduced cartridges which were made of fat of a cow and pig, and that is why the people took to, or the soldiers took to arms, and they started a mutiny or rebel. Then the events, in this lesson we will also read about the events which started on 29th March 1857 when in Meerut Mangal Pandey he revolted, and a number of other soldiers, they denied to obey their leaders, or in fact obey their officers, and they were punished, and then the rebel started and it spread all over the country, and the rebel or the war was fought under the leadership of Bahadur Shah Jafar. And after that the company fights back. After the event we will study how the company fights back. It means how the company was able to put down that revolt with an iron hand. And after that finally we will read about the changes after the rebel. What were the changes that were made by the Britishers after the rebel? Say before the rebel it was East India Company, and after the rebel the company began to be ruled directly under the crown of the princess or crown of the Queen Elizabeth, and a number of other changes were made, and a number of causes, say social causes, the removal of or the end of or banning of sati system was not liked by the people because they thought that it was interference of the Britisher in their religious and social matter. That is why they started revolt, and the British now realized that they were not to interfere their religious and social matter, and in this way they continued after 100 years more. In fact, we all know that India became free from the clutches of the Britishers in 1947. The first World War was that. In this we are going to study how this happened and how the rebel was put down and what the changes were made after the rebel. Thank you.